Chapter 38 Giant Slayer. Kumbhakarna stormed the battlefield, and with every swipe of his mace, thousands of combatants were wiped out. Vanaras, as well as any Rakshasas foolish enough to stray into his path. They were hurled into the sky like leaves. The Titan pressed forward, destroying all he saw. His hunger insatiable, he seized Vanara warriors by the handful and shoved them into his gaping mouth. The army of forest dwellers fled in terror. But then, Hanuman launched a blistering attack on the giant, hurling trees and boulders with such dazzling speed and force it staggered the Titan. Kumbhakarna was surprised by the power of Hanuman's assault. He launched a spear that struck the noble warrior on the chest, flinging him into the distance. Kumbhakarna continued his bloody rampage. Angad, Sugriv, and the brothers Nal and Neel joined the fray, but their weapons shattered against him. With another swipe of his mace, Kumbhakarna knocked the Monkey King Sugriv unconscious. He then picked up the monarch and headed back towards Lanka, a royal prisoner as his prize. But a devastating attack from Lakshmana stopped him in his tracks. Lakshmana's onslaught gave Sugriv time to recover. The Monkey King punched and clawed his way free from Kumbhakarna's grip. Enraged, the Rakshasa smashed away Lakshmana. But now, Ram had arrived on the scene of the battle. Kumbhakarna initially fended off Ram's attack with his mace, but then the Prince of Ayodhya released the Vayavastra, which sliced off Kumbhakarna's right arm. Enraged, the Rakshasa uprooted a tree trunk with his left arm and charged towards the prince. Ram released another divine arrow, which cut off Kumbhakarna's left arm. The Titan howled in pain, but still he moved forward. Ram then released arrows which cleaved into the giant's legs, toppling him to his knees. And yet, even crippled and bleeding, Kumbhakarna lunged, jaws wide, to devour the prince whole. Ram spoke one final mantra, and the Brahmastra flew, radiant, unstoppable. It struck Kumbhakarna with cosmic force, severing the giant's head from his shoulders. The Titan's corpse crashed to the earth like a falling mountain, dust and silence rising in its wake. News of Kumbhakarna's death reached Ravana's court. Upon hearing of his brother's death, this time the Demon King did not scream. This time he did not rage. This time Ravana wept. Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.